Today, you will learn how to extract images from a PDF for free online. Don't worry, this method is very easy and takes only a few seconds. First, here is a PDF file that contains different images. Our goal is to take those images out of the PDF and save them separately. Let's start step by step. Open any web browser like Chrome or Edge. Go to Google and type PDF to JPG. Now open the first website, which is I Love PDF. When the website opens, click Select PDF File. Choose your PDF file from your computer and wait a few seconds for it to upload. On the right side, you will see two options. The first option converts full PDF pages into JPG images, including text. But we only want the original images inside the PDF, so choose Extract Images. This option will pull out only the embedded images from the PDF. Now click Convert to JPG and wait a moment. Once the process is finished, click Download JPG Images. Your images will download in a zip folder. Open the zip folder, select all the images, copy them, and paste them outside the zip folder so you can use them normally. That's it! You have successfully learned how to extract images from a PDF for free online. If this video helped you, please like the video, subscribe for more easy PDF and computer tutorials. Thanks for watching.